Today, we're diving into an incredible digital painting tool that has taken the Android art community by storm. Let's explore its amazing features together. This application is a powerful digital painting tool designed specifically for Android devices. It offers a user-friendly interface that caters to both beginners and experienced artists. The app includes a wide range of brushes and tools that allow users to create intricate artwork, illustrations, and designs with ease. It supports layers, enabling artists to work on different elements of their artwork separately, which can enhance creativity and flexibility during the design process. Additionally, the application features high-resolution canvas support, ensuring that the final artwork can be printed or shared in excellent quality. Users can also benefit from various features like customizable brushes, blending modes, and a selection of textures. The app's intuitive touch controls make it easy to manipulate and refine artwork, while frequent updates provide new tools and enhancements to keep the creative experience. Thanks for joining us on this artistic journey. We hope you found this overview of the powerful digital painting application insightful, and see you in the next video.